name is Isabella, and here is Pilar. We're today at ecoABM company, who has just decided to cooperate with a KSTAR company and to distribute their products. And Pilar is a technical manager in KSTAR service. So Pilar, could you please say us something about the KSTAR company?
Yeah, of course. Our KSTAR company were established in 1993, and we have 4 types of products. The first is the UPS, and our UPS products were the top 5 in the whole world. And we also have a data center and the PV inverter and EV charger, and we have 7 factories in the whole world.